The Galaxy S26 Ultra is just around the corner. It is expected to be announced next month on February 25th, and orders will likely start in early March. We have some latest information about the Galaxy S26 series, and the first update is regarding the chipset. A Geekbench score of the Galaxy S26 has just surfaced. The score is not that impressive when compared to the Galaxy S25, but it is still slightly higher than the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is already quite impressive when compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so we can expect even better performance from the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The regular clock speed for the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is 4.61 GHz, but this modified version made specifically for Galaxy devices comes with a slightly higher clock speed of 4.74 GHz. Now, moving on to the color options, we also have some new information. According to multiple sources, Samsung will announce the Galaxy S26 in 4 color options. These colors are Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galactial Blue, and Ultraviolet. Personally, I will be going with either White Shadow or Galactial Blue. Which color do you like? Let me know in the comments. Also, take a look at these renders from case makers. They show a raised camera bump, which, in my opinion, looks better than what we saw in the Galaxy S25 series. Unfortunately, cameras are not getting any massive hardware upgrade this year. Samsung is reportedly going to use the same sensors, but this time, the wide and telephoto cameras will feature slightly wider apertures. Thanks to software optimization, we are expected to see much better and more natural skin tones, according to information shared by Ice Universe. A wider field of view is also coming to the front selfie camera, similar to what we currently have on the iPhone 17. Due to the recent surge in RAM and memory prices, we are still not sure about the final pricing of the Galaxy S26 series. Some sources claim that prices will increase slightly this year. If that turns out to be true, we could see the Galaxy S26 Ultra priced at around $1,350. There is a potential price hike of around 8 to 15%, so pricing will vary depending on the region. It is also rumored that we will see a MagSafe-like feature along with Qi 2 wireless charging support, which could go up to 25 watts. Wired charging is also getting an upgrade, going up to 60 watts. This alone is a huge improvement over past generations, which were stuck between 40 and 45 watts. Unfortunately, according to multiple sources, this 60-watt wired charging support will be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. On top of that, it is now 100% confirmed that we are finally getting a privacy display feature on the Galaxy S26 series, and this feature will not be limited to just the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That pretty much covers everything regarding the Galaxy S26 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next one.